Hey angels! It's been a long time since I last made a video. A lot happened to me last year, especially at the end of the year, so it's been really difficult for me to make content, and I know I still owe you guys a Ireland vlog, which is still in the making. I'm 90% done. I had a lot of trouble with some of the footage because it ended up being corrupt, so I'm working on getting that sorted out. Hopefully I'll be able to post that this year. Sorry it's been such a long time since the last upload, but if you do want to read about it, it is on my blog, so if you want to check that out, I'll just leave a link down below. So Yesstyle sent me a bunch of clothes, and they asked me to style it according to my MBTI personality. Mine is ENTJ, so when I looked it up on the website that they gave me, mine gave me like essentially working professional type vibes, so I tried to pick items that I didn't already have in my closet and that I would be happy to wear outside of like the context of this video. So I challenged myself to style it a little bit more professional instead of leaning on the casual or like streetwear kind of vibe that I would usually go for. I'll show you what they look like and describe, I guess, like the quality of the piece, and then I'll show you how I decide to style it. And these are all outfits that I would personally wear to my office. I have a pretty lenient dress code. I work in video games and I'm a producer, so it's quite casual. A lot of people usually show up in like jeans and hoodies and t-shirts, but I'm trying to be a little bit more like, I don't know, business casual, just because I tend to have a lot of dinners and like after work meetings that I have to attend, and I kind of want to just look a little bit more put together. So these are the outfits that I came out with. I'll link all of the items below if you want to purchase. Yeah, everything in this video is going to be my own opinion, even though it's sponsored. You can feel free to purchase with the links provided or use my coupon code, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. Yeah, and with that, let's get on to the reviews and the try-ons. The first item I got was this cable knit zip cardigan in white. I got this in the size large, and it has 2 zippers so that you can have that half zipped and unzipped look that's super trendy right now. There are a few stray threads, but otherwise the quality is pretty good and the knit itself is very soft. I paired this with a floral tube top, skinny jeans, and a nude heel for a flirty but mature look. I think a pointed heel and matching bag are the key elements to elevate this look from casual to polished. Next I got this cropped collared shirt that comes with an elastic necktie. I got this in an extra large, but it still doesn't fit me very well. I think if you have a larger bust or broader shoulders, this wouldn't be a good purchase because the shirt isn't stretchy. There were also some marks on mine from where the buttonholes were supposed to go, but hopefully that'll come out in the wash. For this outfit, I styled the shirt without the tie. I tucked it under this knit vest and paper bag shorts for a preppy academia vibe. I chose to wear loafers, but I think a thigh-high boot would also look great here. The key points for this outfit would be having all the hardware on your accessories matching. In my case, that would be the gold belt matching the detailing on my shoes, bag, and hat. The next item is this V-neck work blouse. I got this in the size large and in the color green. It has a little metal pin detail on the front right under the V-neck. The material is soft and silky, but it wrinkles easily, so make sure you steam it before you wear it. I also wanted to show you this chunky chain elastic belt from the previous outfit. It measures 60 to 80 centimeters and clasps in the front for a seamless look. For this outfit, I decided to go with an office siren inspired silhouette. I tucked the blouse into a pencil skirt and tied the look together with the belt. I added a cardigan over the shoulders, but I think a blazer would work too if you prefer that instead. Next I got this rib knit shrug in white. It comes in 9 different colors but only in one generic size. The material is super soft and has a bit of stretch, and the sleeves fit a bit long so you can get that signature oversized Ariana Grande look. I challenged myself to style this without a dress, so I wore this with a tank top over a pair of wide leg slacks. I matched the belt to my loafers again and threw on some glasses for a smart casual look. I think this knit would be really cute over a sundress or paired with leggings and loose white socks. I think this is a super versatile piece, and I would definitely recommend picking one up for your wardrobe. Finally, the last item I got was this cropped zip-up hoodie. It comes in 3 different sizes and colors, but I got it in the color gray and the size is large. I really like the way the sleeves fit, and the crop is just right for me. The material is soft and warm, so you can wear this comfortably as loungewear at home as well. I tried my best to dress this up, but it was really late when I was filming this, and I just could not come up with a cohesive business style outfit, so I threw this on with some of my work sweats. I probably wouldn't wear this outfit to like a fancy executive business dinner, but this is really close to what I would usually wear to the office, especially on cold or rainy days. hope you like the outfits I put together for this video and found the reviews helpful. Thank you so much to Yesstyle for sponsoring the items. If you're interested in any of the items that I showcased, they'll be linked down below. I'll leave my coupon code as well. You don't have to use it, but if you do choose to, thank you so much for supporting me. Hopefully get that Ireland vlog out in the next couple of weeks, and then maybe you can drop me some suggestions down below on what you'd like to see from me. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!